Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the process of installing Unreal Engine in Ubuntu. You will need an account in GitHub and in Epic Games. It is completely free. Once you have made account in both, connect them by going in Epic Games account and clicking the connected account buttons. Then you will need to download zip folder from github.com/epicgames. After the zip folder is downloaded, extract the zip folder and direct your terminal to the folder. Then run the command /setup.sh. Remember, S here is capital. When you run this command, it will give you an error saying some dependencies are missing. Don't worry, it can be easily downloaded. And since I have already run this command, it will give me an option to override the changes. I will deny this since it takes a lot of time. After the setup is successful, you will have to register the file type. Run this command to install the dependencies that were missing. Next, you will need to run this command /generate project files.sh. Remember, GP and F here is capital. Now for the last step, which takes the longest time, run the command make. Once it's finished, you can open Unreal Engine from the following path and run the command /UE4 editor.